All right, special thanks to our friends at Astercook, who was nice enough to send us this complete kitchen knives set. This is an all-in-one 15-piece knife set, everything you will need. The model's the A60.K15061S, if you're curious. Nothing on the bottom, just sticker and logo on top. The front and back are identical. This size has everything you get. So your chef's knife, bread knife, slicing, utility, paring, steak, kitchen shears, sharpener, and a knife block. All multi-purpose kitchen decor must. So let's open this on up. Take a look at this knife set. Oh, very nice box. All right, let's see what's this on top here. So inside of that was a little instruction manual. This has tips on cleaning, as well as a little thank you from them. And then a nice description of actually what each knife is, what it does. Very cool. And then I'm guessing inside of this box, this will likely be the knives. This, yep. That's it for the box because this is the brick. So let's take this part out first. See what we got here. Very nice, very nice. That's it for that box. So this is the block. Oh, that's what it's got, the knife sharpener literally built into the block. Very cool. Love the logo on the front and the brown look. All of your slots for your knives. Very, very nice. And then inside of this should be all of our knives. So we have kitchen shears, or the scissors. Then these look like steak knives. I mean, look at that little design on them right there. I love that. And yeah, it says on it steak knife, so you kind of know what's what. 1, 2. Oh, this is not a steak knife. This is the paring knife. P-A-R-I-N-G. Paring knife. All right. I think this one might be a steak knife. Yep, there's another steak knife. This is another steak knife. I just can't get over that little design. It's on each side. I love it. I think we got about 2 more. So there's 1 and 2. That's all of our steak knives. Then we have, oh, this is the utility knife. Very, very nice. The handles all feel phenomenal. Like the material doesn't bend. It's a strong, sturdy knife. Then we've got this big one here. This is the slicing knife, it says. So slicing knife. And then look at the design on that one. This one is the one that I don't really know how to say. See that? S-A-N Santoku knife? I don't know how to say that, but they include one. This is the bread knife. Very nice. And this is the chef's knife, the Michael Myers knife, and that's it for the box. But all of them have this beautiful little design on them. I love that. They all have their logos with information and exactly what the knife is. They seem like amazing, sharp knives. I love them. So again, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send these to me to unbox and show you. This is everything that comes in this 15-piece knife set. And I can say these look amazing and feel like very sharp, very good quality knives. Thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.